Okay, so for me it's 24th of December 2021, but for you guys it's the 25th of December, which means from my side, Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Yes, for me it's a Christmas Eve, but for you guys it's already a Christmas. Okay, so for me it's 24th of December. So for me it's a Christmas Eve. If I'm ever gonna meet Santa Claus, I will just tell him to subscribe to my channel. There's nothing else I want from the Santa. I just want Santa Claus to be my subscriber. That's it. Just imagine, I got a notification on my smartphone. So Santa Claus is subscribed to only for Motovlog. I mean, this is going to be a fun thing that Santa Claus is subscribing to my channel. That will be actually a dumb thing to ask for Santa. I can ask him anything. So Santa, if you're listening me, the only gift I need from you is just grow my subscriber. Okay, so what should I do? I'm going to my home and just relax for a bit. In evening probably we'll come out and just check out that what's happening in Lucknow. Obviously it's a Christmas Eve, so some of the churches will be lit up. So we're also gonna go to Hazratganj in the evening. Right now I'm going to my home and just take a nap or take a rest. Then in the evening we'll come out later. Traffic right here. This is a Polytechnic Chowraha. Even this is not a Polytechnic Chowraha. Polytechnic Chowraha is a few meters ahead. What the hell? What is happening around? Okay, so this is what Polytechnic Chowraha looks like when it's crowded, and I don't know what's the reason behind this crowd, but yeah, it's heavily crowded, man. Okay, so as you can see, it's evening. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. I just slept for like 4 hours. There's a very big church in between of a Hazratganj, in the middle of a Hazratganj, and yes, I'm going to see that. Today I'm not going to take out my DSLR in Hazratganj because obviously it will be a very crowdy place. Alright guys, so we have entered in a Hazratganj right now. This is a Hazratganj. Okay, so yes, I've said that I'm not going to take out my camera in middle of a Hazratganj, but right now I'm doing it, and I'm sorry for this horn. Right now I'm in middle of a Hazratganj and in front of a St. Joseph Cathedral. Look, this is a church. This whole church is completely lit up. Have to see my tomorrow's vlog because it's going to be a super duper amazing. Tomorrow's crowd is gonna be a super massive. Okay, so let me close my camera down because I'm standing in middle of a Hazratganj and everyone is scaring me around. Okay, so tomorrow this whole road is gonna complete shut down. Obviously shut down for the vehicles. There's gonna be too much traffic here because of the church, and also there's one more church just few meters away. Yeah. Just cross the road without. Yeah, that auntie was just scared. No. Okay, so as you can see here's the second church, different one actually. Yeah, as you can see, it just looks so beautiful, man. We're gonna come here tomorrow. According to my knowledge, today is Christmas Eve, and on the Christmas Eve in a night, the Santa Claus will come and give a gift to their child. This is like a saying, what I really used to think. Our Santa Claus is our mother and father, and which is also true. Our mother, father are the only Santas we have in our life, and for me, my Santa Claus has provided me everything which I stubbornly asked for. They have given me many things in my life. Obviously, you know what I'm saying. So right now I'm here at 1090 Chowraha, 1090 Chowraha. But I can say it's a 1090, 1090. It's a name actually. So don't go into English or Hindi. It's a name, 1090 Chowraha. I used to call it as a name. So as you can see, it's a night over here, and it's completely dark all around except this place, because this place is having a gigantic light. I should go to my home because it's night and it's very cold. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel as soon as possible. Subscribe to this channel, support me if you like this video. So kindly hit the like button down below so the video can get more reach. And yes, we're gonna meet in next vlog. I mean, what do you mean by next vlog? I'm doing a daily vlog, so we're gonna meet tomorrow. Okay, so chalo, bye.